3 things you need to grow in the practice of yoga. For one, you need the ability to be self-honest. Doesn't mean that I want you to be brutally honest with yourself, not at all. I want you to be sweetly honest with yourself, but you must develop the capacity to be self-honest. Steps, your understandings, where you need to work, where you need to develop, it's all going to be contained in there. And if we can't be self-honest, then we're still in denial of something. We're still in reaction. Okay. Number 2, we have to go at the practice in a method that is step by step. We want to go at the practice one step at a time. And if we can't kind of bring our energy, calm our energy to the point where we are going one step at a time, we're going to pop. So grow yourself in that step-by-step method. Number 3, and this is extremely important, you have to develop a daily meditation practice. And this is not a shame game. So if you have not yet developed a daily meditation practice, then your next step in the game is to ask yourself what resistances you have towards this. What's underneath that? Why aren't you doing that? And try to address that and work with that little by little. Work with these 3 and up-level your practice immensely. If you like this content, you know what to do. Like and follow for more.